everyone, and welcome to another video. If you just happened to stumble across this one, hello, my name is Andrea and you're more than welcome to stick around and check out some other videos. As you probably already seen from the title, today I have a punk rave unboxing and try on review for you. So this huge package arrived in the mail a couple of days ago, but I didn't open it because I wanted to open it up on camera. And in here is a dress, and not just any type of dress. This is one of my dream dresses. Before I open it up, I just wanted to mention that you will have to sit through me being very excited for this video, so prepare for that. So Punk Rave Australia makes a lot of gothic and Victorian steampunk and Lolita type of clothing, and they have an array of amazing looking pieces. But this is my first item from Punk Rave and I was so excited to actually receive it and open it up and see what it looks like, because I'm actually quite curious about the quality of their clothing, because they do look amazing on the website and I'm curious to see if they look the same in person, if that makes sense. So yeah, also this came all the way from Australia and I live in Bucharest, Romania, which is on the other side of the world, and it actually got here in about 2.5 to 3 weeks, which is not a lot of time. I was expecting it to take like at least 4 to 5 weeks for it to get here. But so the dress I chose is this one right here. I'm gonna put up a picture so you can see it on their website. Let's go and unbox it and see what it actually looks like. Okay, so it comes in this sealed bag. So from touching it, it feels, it's kind of a satiny material and it's actually very smooth. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my god, I cannot. It's so heavy. Okay, wait. I'm gonna show you, wait. So the tag just dropped from the bag. And oh my god, I don't even know how I'm going to be able to show you on camera, but this is the dress. Oh my god. I'm actually kind of shocked because I wasn't expecting it to be this beautiful. My god. The detailing is to die for. Overall, the whole top part is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I need to take a minute so I can examine it because it's so beautiful, you guys. So in the back it features this elastic part, and I believe this was made in order to fit most sizes. By the way, I got this in a size FS, and this is according to their measurement paper, which you can find for each and every item on their website. So I highly recommend you measure yourself and according to that choose from the indicating size measurements on their website, because I usually am a size small, but I went ahead and checked, so I'll be sure that this would fit. And as I see it, I think it will. It actually looks bigger than I was expecting it, so probably this will also fit a size medium, but I'm not sure about that. We will try it on later and I will let you know. Apart from the elastic part, we also have this corset type of lacing in the back, and I suppose this will help it be more form-fitting. So yeah, and other than that, there's a lot of fabric here and it's really heavy. My arm is actually in pain right now. You also have some buttons in the front, and I am curious actually right now to see if
One eternity later.
So I was checking to see if there was some kind of petticoat, and the only thing is this black material. So this goes underneath your dress, and I guess it gives it a bit of a woomph Okay, so I will try it on now and see if it actually fits. And I'm just all in all curious to know what it looks like. So let's go. Okay, so I'm a bit out of breath because that is a dress that requires some type of assistance to get into and out of, just because it has so much fabric and it's quite heavy. But nevertheless, it is one of the prettiest dresses I have ever seen and had the pleasure of owning. Actually, I still can't believe that I currently have such a pretty dress sitting in my wardrobe, and I just cannot wait to head out and take some pictures with it and just all in all wear it, because you actually feel like a princess wearing it. It's absolutely amazing. Whew. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the sort of videos that I make. Also make sure to check out the description below, because most probably I have left a surprise down there for you, so make sure you check that out. See you all in my next video. Bye.